Hi, and welcome back to TIRATalks-Financial Planning. On this channel, I make videos about money management, insurance, saving, and investing. If you're new here and you like this type of content and you find my videos helpful in any way, please consider subscribing and joining us as we document our journey to financial independence. In today's video, we're talking all about automating your investing or passively investing. That's when you're consistently investing daily, weekly, monthly, yearly by setting up automatic recurring transfers into one or more investment accounts or even all of your investment accounts. When it comes to my M1Finance portfolio, I take a very passive approach to investing. The money that is being transferred into my M1 account is then allocated by a percentage into the holdings that I choose inside of my investment account. My M1Finance portfolio consists of 10 Vanguard ETFs, and all of these ETFs pay out a dividend. Okay, so the 10 Vanguard ETFs that I'm holding in this portfolio is VEA, VOO, VB, VCIT, VWO, VO, VNQ, BNDX, VTI, VXUS. The portfolio balance is a little over $3,900. I received $690.83 from market gains and $87.42 from dividends, which given me a total of $778.25 of total gains, which is about 43.28% total return. Now, like I mentioned before, with my M1 account, I do have it set up for automatic transfers. That way I can automate my investing. That way I won't forget to contribute money to this account. Now, to set up automatic transfers in M1, you want to first tap the transfer button at the bottom of the screen. If you're on mobile, it's at the top of the screen if you're on desktop. And then 2, you want to tap Move Money. Then tap on Recurring Transfer. Then you want to select the account you want to transfer from. Then you're going to select the account you want to transfer to, which will be one of your M1Finance accounts. And then you want to enter the amount you want to transfer. And then you want to set up your frequency of your transfers. You can transfer daily, weekly, or monthly. So in my account, I have it set up to automatically transfer $50 every Friday. So I'll be contributing $200 a month into this account. I like this way of investing because that way I am consistently investing, and this type of investing is so easy and very stress-free. If you would like to open an M1Finance account, click on the link in the description box to get a few extra dollars and start investing today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. Hit that like button, and thank you for watching. Bye.